Hi, welcome to another episode of What's Cooking at Carroll Lutheran Village. My name is Chef Mason, and what I'm going to be making for you today is some chicken and waffle casserole. So, first ingredients that we're going to start out with is some pre-made waffles that I made here, and all we're going to really do is just take those, toast them a little bit, and then throw them into our cooking dish. Make them level. There we go. Then we have some uncooked, frozen chicken tenders, just cut up, really simple. Put them on top, make it nice and even. There. All right, so then the ingredients that make it a casserole, what we have here is some heavy cream, some milk, some maple syrup, a little bit of honey, just a pinch of salt and pepper, some butter, and I already had it in the bowl, but you can see there's eggs as well. Mix that up a little bit, and then just kind of pour it over. When this bakes, it's going to get a little bit higher, make a nice thick casserole for us. All right, now after about 55 minutes at a 325-degree oven, we are ready to serve. And what we're going to do is just put a little bit more maple syrup over top of it. All right, this will be available in the cafe and bistro on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Thank you guys for watching.